Incredibly low miles, fantastic specification, and an unbelievable 7-seater is what you get with this Land Rover Discovery D300 R-Dynamic HSE. Top spec available. When this car was manufactured, it's only covered 19,000 miles on a 23 plate with full service history. The colour is Santorini black, and then they've opted for some finer options, things like sliding pan roof. You've also got middle row of heated seats, heated steering wheel. They opted for these wheels, which I love, but we'll come back to them in a second. The one thing I like about the Discovery, or one of the things that I like about the Discovery, is I think they're a very good looking 7-seater. And if you're in the market for a 7-seater, you'll know there's a lot out there that aren't very good looking at all, but there'll be reasons why you want or need one. And I think it's nice to have a car that has the seats, but then also looks the part as well. Santorini black with the black badging, with it being an R-Dynamic, so you've got that full stealth exterior. And then the wheels that they opted for, I do like, and you only really see them on a Discovery. The 22-inch wheels, again, just finish that exterior off nice. Fixed side steps, sliding pan roof I absolutely love, and on a HSE a lot of people would assume that is standard. It is not, but wait for the interior. So they opted for duotone interior, so that's ebony and ivory. So what I like about that is you've got a nice contrast. Instead of one solid block of colour, you've got the light going through the centre, the darker on the accents. The middle row is heated. The front seats, sorry, they're heated and ventilated. Then you've got that huge panoramic sunroof. I also like this dark wood veneer they've got in there as well. To get into the back, very straightforward. One press of a button, and then you literally just slide that seat forward. And if you have a look, you'll also notice that those two rear seats in the back there are also ISOFIX points as well, because chances are, if you're looking for a 7-seater, you probably have some small children that are in some type of car seat, so that'll come in handy, and you're not fighting over who's sat in what seat. So again, very useful. And then on the topic of 7 seats, if you have a look at the size of the boot space while the seats are up, there's very few 7 seats where you physically have a boot space while they're up. And if you want to drop them down, maybe use it as a 6-seater, you can do. So then you've got that side, and with it being as straightforward as it is to put them down, it just gives you a really easy access. And you've got that huge boot space. You've got the air suspension, which you can control from the back there as well. And then you can even manoeuvre the middle row of seats further forward if you need to, if you're carrying something that's a little bit more oddball in shape. Privacy glass, again, just gives it that nice, sleek look. But have a look at the interior. So the duotone continues on the steering wheel. You've got Meridian surround, opposed to standard Meridian. So you've got all the spec on a HSE. But with this one, it'll be the miles, the colour combination, and those other options that finish it off, because you'll find a lot of people out there look for things on a HSE that aren't standard. Sliding pan roof is a big one, so let me show you the difference that makes. So some of them come with a fixed roof. This one comes with a full sliding roof, so that will open up. You've then got your digital display. It's just done over 19,500 miles. Huge tablet display, navigation, media, telephone, your 360 camera systems, 3D mode, wireless charge pad just under there. The heated seats and the ventilated seats work from this section, same as your cruise control as well. Heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, all driver safety systems, huge amounts of storage, cup holders everywhere. You've even got 2 glove boxes as well, so if you are the sort of family who carries a lot of cables and chargers and stuff like that, then you've got all the space for that you can possibly want. So very low miles, manufacturer's warranty until 2026, top specification plus those optional extras. Just a great car. So if you're in the market for a Discovery, this one's going live. We haven't had one in for a while actually, but the last one we did sold very quickly. So if you want to have a chat about this particular one, feel free to give me a call direct. My name's Paddy. I'll answer any questions that you've got.